and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I would like to show you the error code b203 will get rid of it inexpensively with your Canon Pixma printer. I got myself a new printhead from the Far East. This is how he looks like, new. We will now install it and then the error code b2.03 usually disappear again. To do this, we now open the flap. Switch the device off again. Turn the device back on. Waiting for the carriage to move to the position where I can remove the printhead. This will take a moment. He is currently checking the cartridges. So, now we pull the power plug and drive. Slide the carriage into position for manual removal. The mains plug is now unplugged. Now we pull the carriage forward slightly, remove all the cartridges. Prefer the irritation flap. And now we can get the printhead out, the old. There he is, the culprit. Now we're going to take the new printhead and we're going to make it exactly a tree. Install the pre-cartridge lock and then we'll see what's up. The new printhead says I. Se plug in. Turn on. Shut it. The problem with the printed products are the error code B23 that the printhead is burnt out. No cleaning or other things will help. Put it in an ultrasonic bath or what I don't know. An electrical wire just burned out. Most of the time you can do that without using the printer. You come the next morning and then suddenly the error code B203 appears, which means you have to invest around €32 for this printhead. But when I think that you get cheap cartridges and have to replace them every 2 years, it's actually not too much. This will take a little longer here, but as you can see, otherwise error code B203 would have come a long time ago. The printer will now activate the print cartridges and will print its test print in a moment. I hope that will happen right now. Yes indeed. Added to this are prints. He prints the whole thing again for €32. I hope I could help you, so you don't have to throw away your printer. And if you liked the video, thumbs up and subscribe to me. And thank you for watching my video. Until next time. Bye.